I am a woman,
Hey, hey,
not here
beautiful
to
angel,
please
girl,
you.
sweet
It's
angel.
time to.
Listen, I'm going to tackle this again. Y'all know, what can I say? I don't know. Before I say it, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and hit the like button because today I am purging for real. Y'all know Maddie evicted me out of our big closet, and now this closet is on overload because I had to move everything from that glam closet into my normal walk-in closet, which is a tiny walk-in closet. So now I'm just like, what to do? The only thing I can do is to purge, purge, purge. I'm going to be serious about this today, and unfortunately, I can't really have y'all in the closet with me because otherwise, there's nowhere to put the camera. It's nowhere for me to put the camera, so I'll have to like just show you what I'm dumping out. So I have the baskets as you saw earlier that I'm just going to fill up. I'll put them in garbage bags in just a minute. I'll try to place my call or at least schedule online for a pickup of everything. So that's what I am up to today. Yeah, gotta do it. I gotta do it. And I dread this. I really do. I don't know why I can't give up this stuff. This some of the stuff I haven't worn in years. Like in years. It's not that it's too small. It just has no place in my life anymore. So I got to do that. But I'm getting ready to purge. So come along with me.
Cause my time is now. I am a woman, made by my
So
own.
this is what the closet looks like right now. Mike had actually put me some shelves up and it's really messy. Right now it's just like old pillows and blankets and um, my shawls, some old towels, my little plastic container that I have my like waist trainers and sweaters in. And then I have my long dresses and stuff that was in the other closet. I've put them in here now, and it's just filled to capacity all the way back to there, all the way across here, and then even some hanging on the door and some hats up there. So we are going to go ahead and purge out all of this. I don't even have the shoes in here. Maddie still, thank God, has some of the shoes, which I don't have many, in the other closet, in her big closet on the shelves in there. So this is it. So let me get cooking.
On solid ground. And then I take the first step a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way, I know I made up my mind. I'm through feeling scared, I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine on you. Make room for everything that's true. Do whatever I wanna do. And then I let it shine on you. I wanna let it shine on you. I don't need no savior, no helping hand, no one to make me feel loved again. I am a woman, coming alive. Glory, I know we will survive. And then I take the first step a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way, I know I made up my mind. I'm through feeling scared, I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine on you. Make room for everything that's true, yeah. Do whatever I wanna do. And then I let it shine on you, yeah. Huh. I wanna let it shine on you.
Well, I think for the most part, I've gotten everything from one side of the closet. Now I'm going to do my long stuff and start it. So let's do it.
Glory again.
All right, beautiful babes, I only ended up with 2 baskets of clothes, and it's probably because, you know, they are folded pretty neatly. Let me show you the closet. At least I can now open the door back, but I did stack everything neatly over here, towels and so forth. And I only got a few items out of my long evening wear stuff, just a few items. But over here I did knock a good little dent in, so as you can see, it looks full, but the back of it is actually just hangers back there. That's all, just hangers, empty hangers, because I cleared out quite a bit and everything is now off the door. So I stacked up some pillows that I had elsewhere, and voila, that is it. Tennis shoes on the floor, and I am done. That's it. If y'all enjoyed the little fun here in the closet again, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and please share me with your world. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.